Hi guys, another day, another vlog. Ngayon, ako ay papunta sa aking cousin dahil kasi farewell niya. It's going back to the ship Saturday, Kenny. So, we get together kami mga pipinsan. Pero bago siguro ako pumunta doon, dadaan muna ako sa friend ko kasi masyadong maaga pa. Dadaan ako sa best friend ko, si Clark. Sana doon siya sa office. Kung ako nag-rush. Kaya natin. So, yesterday, dami kong binuksan na parcel galing para sa sister ko kasi because my sister's coming home from Canada on February 9. Tinuruan ko mag-Lazada. Nag-download siya ng Lazada sa Canada na addict. I think around 16 parcels ang darating yata para sa kanya. Actually, dumating na yata ay around 14 na. So may darating pa yata ilan? I don't know if it's 16 or 19 packages ang darating. So alam ko marami. Ewan ko ba dun? Na-addict bigla. Kasi it's more cheaper talaga to buy it here in the Philippines. Like, ano lang naman siya, mga small stuff like sandals for the kids, sleeping clothes. Yung mga yun lang, mga mostly for uses lang niya dito. Kasi gagamitin. Kaysa magdala siya ng mga raming damit, nag-order na lang siya ng mga damit para sa mga bata dito. So it's really more cheaper. At saka may binili pa nga siyang plastic bag actually, gift bags para sa mga relatives namin kasi may mga dala siyang pasalubong. So she was planning to put it all in a thank you bag. In order niya, ang liit, nakita ko. It was really a small size. Tapos nung nag-usap kami, sabi ko, ate, hindi kakasya dito yung mga cup na binili mo. Ayaw pa maniwala sa akin, kailangan ko ba bigyan ng reference ng tsura ng bag. Hanggang sa yun, na-realize niya maliit niya. So, baka ako na lang order siguro ng bag para sa kanya or siya. Ewan ko sa kanya. Sabi ko sa kanya, ordering ko na nga. Ewan ko doon. Actually, it's already, usapan namin mga cousin ko, 3 or 4, still early. Was planning to go to the car wash supposed to be. Papalinis ko kasi yung sasakyan. Pante mo po. Papalinis ko sana yung sasakyan ko. Kasi nga, sobrang dumi. But, ang init eh. Kahapon kasi galing ako sa car wash din. Legit, sobrang pulo. So, di ako natuloy sa car wash. Plan ko sana ngayon. Pero, but maybe I'll just wash it on my own. Gamit naman ako. Lazy lang ako para mag-car wash. Kasi wala akong vacuum cleaner. Yun ang wala ako. Di pa ako nakakabili ng So, sana bumili ng wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Some other time na lang. Pag may extra budget siguro. As of now muna, next time na lang. Kaya papacar wash na lang ako. Pag super dirty na talaga ng loob. Kasi lalo na yan, I have 3 kids, especially yung 2. So, nabakalat sa sasakyan. And that's being part of having a family now. Hindi katulad ng old days. Na maarte ka sa car mo. And ngayon, syempre, dapat wala ka na ka. That's why my car is all stock. Dati kasi naka 17s ako, naka-lower. Hindi na ngayon eh. Syempre, hindi na binata eh. Family man na. Anyways, siguro mamaya na lang pag andun na ako.
Hi guys! Dito ako sa ngayon sa cousin ko. Bale, yan. Oh, say hi! Oh. Oh. Ang mataray kong pinsan. Ito pulutan.
Kailan ba yan?
Bale pa, alis na yung cousin ko papuntang Marcolet. Saan nga pala joining mo, Kenny? Kenny, saan joining mo?
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Ano yan?
Ako kasi sa Mauritius naman ang joining ko. Next month ako. Hindi pa narating yung isang cousin namin, yung cage ko, si JD. Pero parating na yun. So, mamaya na lang ulit. Oh, thanks for watching. See you later.
Hi guys. just finished yung get together ng mga cousin ko kasi pauwi na nga yung aking other cousin, si Kenny. Papunta na siya ng barko ulit ng Saturday. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi nga sa mga kwentuhan and everything, kaya medyo short lang yung vlog ko na magkakasama kami. Tsaka late na rin, it's already 11:17. Dapat nga, medyo maaga dapat ako nakauwi, but natagalan ako dahil nga kasi tawag dito na kikwentuhan pa kami mga magpipinsan. So medyo natagalan talaga. And ngayon, driving back home. Still here in San Pedro. Pero driving home na. Tsaka kasi si Connor may lagnat din. May younger son. So, kasi nga tawag dito, siya, vaccine kaninang umaga. So, ngayon nilagnat. Kaya yun. Pero he's still fine. Malakas na resistensya kasi breastfeed pa eh. Kaya yun, daddy mode ulit later. Susulitin ko na kasi I only have 2 months of vacation para makasama kong newborn ko na baby, si Connor. Tsaka ang dalawa kong princess, si Adlia. So I try to make the most of it here in the Philippines. Because mostly I stay so long in the ship. Like my next contract is gonna be 9.5 months. So I'm leaving in February. I'm coming back in November. But it's technically December na. Coming back at December because I'm going home at the end of November. So that's the life of a seafarer. But I'm a professional chef. I work in the ship. But technically we're not seafarers because normally ang original na seaman ang sinasabi nga they work from the engine and the deck. We're hotel. And my story again, para tayo. My story working in the ship, I started in the ship 2012. And AIDA, I worked in AIDA. My magsaysay ang manning agency ko. But I started from the bottom. I washed dishes, really throw garbage and everything. Start from the bottom. I worked my way up, become a sous chef in the ship. But to be honest, my course is really far from my profession now. I study AMT. AMT is aircraft maintenance. But I didn't pursue that career because here in the Philippines is mostly you graduate in college, they always ask for your you have to have experience. How can you have experience if you haven't even worked it because you just newly graduated? That's the system here in the Philippines. Not like because when I keep talking to my other colleagues like from Germany, because my ship is German company, it's different. So yun ang downside talaga sa Philippines. And lahat tayong magagawa, ganun talaga. But anyways, I work since 2012, so I'm 30, more than 13 years working in the company. To be exact, I think 13 years in the company, and I'm a sous chef there. I love my job, to be honest. Working in the ship, and of course working in the kitchen. That is my real passion, working in the kitchen. But of course, it gives sacrificing, of course, the time with my family. But for us working in the ship, the reason why we're there because of family. Kasi to be honest, you will not have this kind of things that I have now, like have a whole house, car. With my profession working here in the ship, it's really gonna be really hard to get that to get those things, not unless maybe celebrity ka. Kaya that's why. But don't get me wrong, I'm not saying napaka-long naman ng mga, it's still a job is a job. It's still
honest job. At saka if you earn money here in the Philippines. But it's not so bad to try to get more and pursue more higher. That's why I chose to work in the ship. At first, noong unang contract ko, I was thinking that it's too much. Pero that time, I get used to it. Before that, nung time ko, 10 months nga eh. We work in the ship for 10 months. It's so long. And I only have 2 or 3 months vacation. But because normally I stay in the Philippines for 2 or 3 months, and now supposed to be I only stay in the ship for 8 months. But now I have 9.5 months. I requested it because for the reason that I want to spend Christmas with in the Philippines again, like now. Because the last time I spent Christmas here, bago tong Christmas na to, it was pandemic time. I spent Christmas in the Philippines. Since I worked in the ship since 2012. Hindi pa pala including yung kinasal ako noong December of 2016 with my wife. But I didn't spend Christmas that time in the Philippines. I spent Christmas in Singapore with my wife. Kasi after we got married, kasi yung wife ko before, she was working in Singapore. So after we got married, went to Singapore, tried to find work there because the plan was I work there so we can be together. But that time it was really hard to get job in Singapore because they have some system there that you have to force to one. So that's why. So long story short, I tried, but I got a job, but the salary was not that good. That's why I got in the ship. So I decided to go back in the ship. When I came back to the ship, at saka bago rin ako bumalik ng Barco, nalaman namin na pregnant yung wife ko. Lucky nga eh. Kakasal namin, napunta siya agad. We had our firstborn, Leah. So it was nice. And I got promoted, so I became a sous chef that time. It was nice. Luck was still in my side. Then got Zia, my second born. After they have an age gap of 2 years. Ngayon yung my third child, Connor, medyo malaki-laki ang gap. Because si Zia, she's turning 6 years old this February. So it's like more than a 5-year gap. So almost a 6-year gap between my second born. So that's why. But I'm really happy because syempre karoon ako ng lalaking anak. I thought it was gonna be like a girl again. But it's not a problem also. Every child is a blessing from my side. But it's lucky that I have a son now. Of course, every father is always longing for a son. Of course, who will continue my legacy. Kasi dadala ng apelido. That is always the thinking of fathers always. So anyways, ganun nga. Yeah, that's why I'm happy. Even though I spend now only a few months with them. Kasi to be honest, working in the ship, every time I go home, my kids get bigger. And of course, personality a bit changing once they're getting older. So, yeah, if I can find a work that can pay me this high and stay in the Philippines, I would do it really. In a blink of an eye, I would leave my job in working in a ship and work here in the Philippines. But sad to say, it's hard to find this kind of salary working here in the Philippines in my position. Yeah, so that's why I'm working in the ship. My reason is for my family. Every father is always in this because you have to provide for your family. Because of course, my family want to get the best what I can offer. I can provide what they need. But some people are contented with the salary, like the different lower salary. But of course, walang masama maghangad ng mas malaking salary para sa family mo. Kasi syempre,
depends on the person. I think so. For me, because I really wanted to have I want to provide the best for my kids. That's my thinking. You know, sa wife ko naman, she's working in Singapore before, but now she stopped because of course we had the second child already. So now she's working in the Philippines, but she's working work from home. But still, employers come, I think, it's still from Singapore. But of course, the salary is not that like before. Ayun. So, it's better that I go and she stays rather than I stay and she goes. Of course, syempre di mo ako papayag ng ganun. I'm the father, I'm the padre de pamilya kasi I have to provide for my family. So, here I'm almost in my exit because it's only like 15 minutes drive from my cousin's place to my house because I'm using the expressway. Mabilis lang kasi the good thing about it, my subdivision is really close lang siya sa exit ng expressway. Yeah, ganun. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed my vlog, sharing my stories in life, working in the ship, now in vacation. Siguro mga in the next month when I go back in the ship, my content will of course change. Pagka content ko na, of course, life in the ship now. And of course, what I do, my passion as a chef. Of course, I would like to share this with you. And hopefully you appreciate all of the and really like what my content, okay? So anyways, this is the end of my vlog for today, for tonight, okay? So see you again next time, okay? Bye!